Do you know that over 80% businesses worldwide use Excel for their data analytics need? It's a tool that has stood the test of time and continues to be crucial in today's data-driven world. But have you ever wondered why Excel remains so vital? Today we are kicking off our tutorial series with introduction to Microsoft Excel, this time from the data analytics perspective. Whether you are a student, professional, or simply curious, this video is your gateway to mastering Excel for data analysis. Let's get started. Hi, I am Taib, your guide on this data journey. In this part 1 tutorial, we'll explore Excel importance in data analytics, dive into its history, explore key components, and highlight the best practice. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid foundation to build on as we move forward in our series. So grab a coffee and let's dive into the world of Excel. Let's start by looking at Excel through the lens of data analytics. Excel is not just a spreadsheet tool, it's a versatile platform that allows you to collect, organize, and analyze data, from collecting sales figures to visualizing complex datasets. Excel transforms raw numbers into meaningful insight. The beauty of Excel is that it caters to all levels. You don't need to be data scientist to make the most of it. Now that we know Excel potential, let's take a quick trip through its history. Excel was first introduced in 1985, and over the years, it has evolved tremendously. Initially designed as a basic spreadsheet tool, it now includes sophisticated features like PivotTables, data visualization, and even automating through macros. Excel continuous innovation has cemented its role in modern data analysis workflow. It's amazing how a tool that started almost 4 decades ago continues to be relevant, isn't it? So with that a bit of history in mind, let's explore the components of Excel that make it so essential for data analytics. Excel is packed with lots of features, but let's focus on the components that are more relevant to data analytics. First, we have the ribbon. This is your command center for offering lots of tools like for filtering, sorting, and data visualization. In addition, there is a formula bar where the real magic happened, where you import formulas to perform calculation and data manipulation. Furthermore, there is PivotTables, a game changer for summarizing large data sets in a matter of seconds. Moreover, there's charts and graphs, turns your raw data into compelling visuals to uncover the trends and patterns. So, which Excel component do you find most helpful for your data analysis task? Let's know that in the comments. Now you might be asking why Excel is so important in today's data workflow. Let's find out. In today's business environments, data is everywhere, but raw data only becomes valuable when analyzed effectively. Excel bridges the gap between data raw and actionable insight, allowing analysts to organize and interpret vast dataset quickly. Plus, its integration with other Microsoft tools makes it a vital part of any data workflow. Whether you are in marketing, finance, healthcare, or education, Excel seamlessly fits into your data processes. Speaking of versatility, let's dive into some of the key uses of Excel in data analysis. And you'll see why it's a favorite tool for professionals across various industries. Excel is incredibly versatile in data analysis, like we have financial analysis, track expenses, manage budget, and perform financials forecasting. Furthermore, we have sales and marketing, analyze customer trends, measures companies' performance, and forecast future sales. Moreover, data cleaning, Prepare your data by removing duplicates, filling gaps, and transforming formats. Now let's take a closer look at Excel powerful analytical capabilities. You can use formulas like SUMOFs and VLOOKUP for quick calculation, pivot tables to summarize large data sets, and charts to visualize trends. And there is the data analysis toolpack, which offers more advanced statistical functions like regressions and histograms. And not to forget Power Query, a robust tool for cleaning and transforming a large dataset before analysis. So could you tell me which Excel data analytics features are most exciting to learn about? Drop your suggestion in the comments. With all those tools at your fingers, you might be wondering, why should you focus on learning Excel for data analytics specifically? For one, it's highly valued skill in the job market. Excel is beginners friendly yet powerful enough to handle complex tasks, making it the perfect starting point for any data analyst. Think of Excel as your Swiss Army knife for data. It does a little bit of everything and does it well. Now let's discuss some key features you'll use in data analytics. Some standout features include VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. Those functions are essential for finding specific data points with a large data set. In addition, Power Pivot, this feature allows you to create complex data models, perform advanced calculation, and build relationships between different data tables. Furthermore, conditional formatting. This tool enables you to easily highlight key data points based on a certain condition. Moreover, data validation. This ensures your data is consistent and accurate for reliable analysis. Now that you are familiar with the features, let's look at some best practices to ensure you are getting the most of Excel for data analysis. Here are some best practices. First, organize your data. Start by using tables and name regions, as those tools facilitate easy reference and improve readability. Next, use cell reference. Incorporating cell reference in your formulas is crucial. This approach not only helps you when you updating data, but also eliminates the need to rewrite the formulas for each time changes occur. Furthermore, save versions. Always keep backups of your work by saving different versions of your files. This practice is essential for data security and allows you for easy revision. Lastly, let's wrap up with some real-world examples and case study that show how businesses use Excel to drive success through data. Many businesses use Excel for budgeting, where they input expenses, forecast revenues, and modeling financial scenarios. Retailers use Excel for inventory management, tracking customer data, and analyzing purchasing patterns to predict future sales. And there you have it. From Excel history to its cutting-edge analytics capabilities, this was your introduction to the world of Excel from data analytics perspective. Make sure to tune in for our next tutorial, where we'll explore Excel startup screen and its essential features step by step. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with your friends looking to dive into Excel for data analytics. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep exploring the world of data.